Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Cultus car Bluetooth. Turn on your Cultus, enable Bluetooth on your phone, and set the car to pairing mode. First, I'll walk you through locating the audio system menu and choosing the Bluetooth option. Next, we'll confirm codes and authorize contacts. Finally, I'll show quick troubleshooting tips if the phone does not appear or pairing keeps failing. Start by accessing the Cultus audio menu and navigating to Bluetooth settings, then choose Add Device. On your phone, scan for available devices and tap the Cultus system name when it appears. A pairing code will appear on both screens. Confirm that the numbers match and accept on both devices. After pairing, test audio playback and calling to ensure media and phone features work as expected. If pairing fails, try restarting your phone and the Cultus audio unit before trying again. Remove any old Cultus entries from your phone's Bluetooth list to avoid conflicts, then attempt a fresh pair. Check that both devices have the latest software to improve compatibility, and move the phone closer to the dashboard to avoid interference. If problems persist, consult your owner manual or contact dealer support for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.